So we're gonna play Budget Hold'em in just a moment. Sam is gonna facilitate this game with you. I want you to go into this with the mindset that we can do hard things. I want you to go into this with the mindset that every decision that we make matters for kids, yes. And I want you to go into this with the mindset that the things that we previously thought were impossible actually are possible for kids. And it is up to us to make those possibilities become reality. Have fun.
I love Budget Hold'em. I think it really puts districts and district leaders smack dab into a critical conversation around trade-offs. We can do anything, but we can't do everything. And we can't do everything all at the same time. And so sometimes we have to make really difficult decisions, and we have to base those decisions in something like, what is our district context? What does research say about a particular initiative or strategy? But it helps just make real the conceptual things that we kind of grapple with. What do we have to give up to get what we're trying to accomplish? And we all got to give up something. By grounding in priorities, it just focuses everything in what it is that we want to experience for teachers and kids.
I like the design of it. The design of it is to really make you focus on what it is that the district needs to do, and having the priorities right in front of you and the options right in front of you, it was a lot easier to be able to ensure that what we were choosing to spend our money on was truly aligned with the district's priorities. So it just calms the noise, and it just makes you focus on what it is that we need to do for the best interests of our students and stay this laser focused on those priorities. That just made it really simple, but yet extremely good work was done during that exercise.
I liked the idea that it could be a tool that you could use it with your board, you can use it with senior leadership, you could do it with principals, you can do it with the community, and then through that you could identify the stated priorities and the conversation that reveals what's most important to each of those groups.
We were in the pattern of just adopting whatever people did the year prior. Not that that's necessarily a bad thing, as you know, school district do the same function year after year, right? But I don't know that there was just a lot of mindful, like tying to bigger goals and aligning our goals with our budget. So the conversations were great, having the team there, you know, the curriculum side, being able to say, that's really not the best bang for our buck. This other initiative would get us more mileage was extremely helpful for me. And I'm like, oh, so we could make those decisions all day long.
I think one of the ways that conversations are different during and after Hold'em is people often come into this game with preconceived ideas about how we should organize our schools and districts. But then when they see, wait, you mean I could do this and this and this for the exact same investment that I was making in this thing over here and have a greater student outcome, it just brings to life what's possible when you think outside the box, when you start to think about what is it exactly we're trying to accomplish for kids and how can we organize against that? How can we spend our money differently? And also this realization that the things that we thought were so expensive and we couldn't afford, we realized we reallocate here. If we do this instead of that, we can actually make some really dramatic changes, and they're cost neutral.
It leads to those conversations to help reveal what's really important and speaks to the values of your school district with your available resources.
Somehow, budgeting is fun when you're able to play a game and have that engagement. And if you ask people at my district, they're probably going to tell you budgeting is not fun at all. Anytime we see a spreadsheet, we run. So that was a fun way to take it out of a spreadsheet, make it a game, and still get some priorities addressed for the kids and staff.